That Leonardo da Vinci was a genius is a well-known fact, but that he can still amaze almost 500 years after his death seems incredible. A lot has been said, especially recently, about the hidden meanings in Leonardo's paintings, particularly in The Last Supper, without there ever being any firm proof. And then all of a sudden there comes a turn. A new discovery that is not the product of fantasy, but rather a study of the image and of a set of objective data. An idea came to Mr. Slavisa Pesci by pure chance, as often happens in these circumstances. By superimposing a picture of the Last Supper in a magazine on itself, Mr. Pesci noticed the appearance of curious coincidences. Let's look at some of them. First of all, let's take a faithful reproduction of the Last Supper, turn it upside down and superimpose it on itself. What happens? A new painting appears. From a few details, it is possible to tell that it is no coincidence, but rather a precise calculation. The image of the Saviour remains almost unchanged, but not in terms of colour. Now his clothes are almost completely red. So the painting no longer seems to represent the revelation of the betrayal, but rather the blessing of the bread and wine. On Christ's stomach, only a small portion of blue clothes appear, which, with the plate on the table, seem to be drawing a cup. At this point there must be some Knights Templar. To the viewer's left, we notice the clear figure of one of them. If we move towards the centre of the painting, we cannot help noticing a depiction of a newborn held in the arms of one of the guests. Even the mountains in the background beyond the windows interact with the superimposition, drawing perfect crowns on the heads of some figures. The coincidences do not end here. There are many more. Yet skeptics might still be reluctant to believe in the two sides of Leonardo's painting, but, with a bit of patience, they would notice that this all fits in with the majority of the Florentine master's works. To find out more, just visit www.leonardo2007.com, www.codicedavinci.tv, www.cenacolo.biz, www.leonardodavinci.tv.